Hello students, today we will study History Chapter 6, The Early States. In this chapter, we will learn about sources for the Mahajanpadas, origin of Mahajanpadas, 16 Mahajanpadas and their capitals, and life during the Mahajanpadas. Students, during the 6th century BCE, India has witnessed a transition from tribal kingdoms to larger political units, which consolidated to form Janpadas and Mahajanpadas. The use of iron tools like plowshare simplified cultivation and led to surplus production. Due to this surplus production, trade opportunities occurred and it leads to the growth of towns and cities. The post-Vedic period saw the growth of towns and cities with flourishing trade and commerce. This led to the establishment of a more organized political setup as compared with the previous tribes. Tribes were earlier known as Janas, as these Janas grew in size and power, and later they came to be known as Janpadas or foothold of a tribe. Later, the larger Janpadas were known as Mahajanpadas. Students, we get the information about these Janpadas and Mahajanpadas with the help of the Buddhist and Jain literature. The Mahajanpadas. During the Vedic period, tribal units or Janas existed. However, by the 6th century BCE, these tribal units became large and powerful and acquired the status of Mahajanpadas. Gradually, in North India, it was divided into 16 independent kingdoms, or it can be called the Mahajanpadas. All these 16 Mahajanpadas were known as Saudasa Mahajanpadas. Some of them, or the Mahajanpadas, Kosala, Vatsa, Avanti and Magadha are the some of the Janpadas which gained prominence during 6th century, and out of these 16 Mahajanpadas, Magadha was the most powerful kingdom or Mahajanpada during 6th century. Now, in this table chart, you can see students Mahajanpada with their capital. The first one is Anga, capital is Champa. Kashi, capital is Varanasi. Kosala, Sravasti. Vajji is Vaishali. Malla, Kushinagar and Pava. Magadha, Rajagriha. Cheti, Suktimati. Kuru, Indraprastha, Panchala, Achitra and Kampilya. Surasena, Mathura. Avanti, Ujjain, Gandhara, Takshila, Kamboja, Rajpur, Asaka, Potali, Vatsa, Koshambi, Matsya, Viratnagar. These are the 16 Mahajanpadas with their capitals. Now let us study about the political life of these Mahajanpadas. Students, these Janpadas and Mahajanpadas were further classified as monarchies and republics. So monarchies and republics, in the Mahajanpadas, there was two different forms of government, monarchies and republics. The republics is also known as Gana Sanghas, which were ruled by an elected chief who was the head of the Gana Sangha, and he was answerable to the council that was also elected by the people of that Gana Sangha. As the republic were democratic in character and were the opposite of monarchies, where the kingship was hereditary. Republics and monarchies were constantly at war, they are fighting with each other because the king was considered divine and powerful. Because of that, he took all the decisions, and so they were constantly fighting with each other. But republics don't have the military power, so always the monarchies conquered them. Now, about the administration, how they run their government. Taxes were collected to run the administration, and with these taxes, they maintain their army. Beside maintaining an army, they also use these taxes in the construction of roads and canals. So this all about the early states. In this chapter we have discussed only about the Janpadas and Mahajanpadas.